Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to send your money using this application. I'm sending my money in India, or you can live in any other country, so you can send anywhere or any place, and fraction of second you can transfer your money like a dollar to INR, dollar to Chinese rupees, dollar to Pakistani rupees, Bangladeshi. You can transfer anywhere using this application like OFX, and this application available on Android and iOS devices. Also, I am putting the video description both links, you can check it out. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as demonstration. Simply open your app store. You are using Android devices, so you open Play Store and just type here OFX. So first link is come here like OFX money transfer. I open this link and first application are display here, international money transfer. So I download this application. After download process are starting, so you can transfer this application. Rating is amazing, 4.3 in 5. So some basic informations are available here. 24/7 supportable facilities are there. Why OFX? Better exchange rate to lower fees compensation, security platform, all informations are there. Overall AUD like 125 billion transfer are already done, send money to 190 countries in 55 plus currencies. So many informations are available here. After finish the download, you open simply this application. Welcome to your new money transfer application. Get start. Now register or login. So I am register. So simply some basic informations are available here. So I am selecting my country, and then after I enter my email address, my password, city, burn, security answer, continue, and then after add your detail here. So I'm selecting my name, first name, option, last name, date of birth. You can add your date of birth here, and your mobile number. Add your my address here. I'm adding my address here, apartment. Add here city name. So I'm adding city name, postal code, nationality, and occupy, researcher, and continue. And then after which currency you are transferring of my original country, like in India. So I am selecting now Danish krona here. Recipient get which currency, like INR, Indian rupees. Estimate transfer amount per year. So like I am typing here 5 lakh. I have terms and condition. Okay, done. Congratulations, transfer now. You can active your face ID, like simply I am sending 10,000. You can send the money like here. Rate you select the currency are only available during market open Monday to Friday using this application. So always I am sending first time Monday to Friday in between, because of market are opening on Monday to Friday and exact currently currency rate are displaying on that time. So now I am not possible to sending this money, but simply you open and download this application and transfer now, and you just add which currency you want send the money. Like here several currencies are available: UAE dirham, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, Danish krona, euro, British pound, Hong Kong dollar, Japanese yen, or US dollar. Several currencies are available here. You can transfer, and you can transfer or number of currency, like here all currencies are available. Even Pakistani rupees also available. So number of currencies you can transfer your money to other countries. It's very helpful to transfer the money. All detail are recipients here. Transfer related information comes here, and market values are also available. Always showing rate. Your settings, you can change your settings also here. It's very simple to transfer money using OFX application. You just do simple process and send your money. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.